We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Troy Bockelmann with the CattleFax update. Australia is a major supplier of beef imported to the U.S., and after running below year-ago levels for the first 7 months of 2017, imports from Australia have been above year-ago levels for the last 3 months. 2013 to 2015 were big years for Australian beef production as a major drought swept the country, causing herd liquidation. From 2012 to the peak of beef production in Australia in 2014, there was nearly a billion-pound increase of beef produced to a record high 5.6 billion pounds. As the rains came in 2016, the industry started to expand, and beef production decreased 16% back to 2012 levels. It appears that the increased cow herd is now resulting in increased beef production. For the first 5 months of 2017, Australian beef production averaged 8% below 2016 levels. In the last 5 months, production has moved to average 13% above year-ago levels. While some of the increase can be related to subdued levels a year ago, it is clear that beef production, on average, is also increasing. This increased beef production in Australia will not only be available to import into the United States, but will also compete with U.S. beef exports to Japan and South Korea. Due to a trade agreement between Australia and Japan, Australia will hold a 12% tariff advantage over the U.S. on beef imported into Japan. Meat and Livestock Australia forecasts that in 2017, Aussie beef production will increase 3% in 2017. Weather will be an important factor to watch as it will influence continued expansion of the cow herd. Currently, weather is adequate in Australia, and with another 2% growth forecasted for 2018, beef production will be above levels occurring before the herd liquidation. As a result, expect the U.S. to face increased competition from Australia on the global markets, as well as increased supply available for import into the U.S. It'll be important to watch Australia in the coming year to determine the potential for U.S. beef imports, as well as U.S. exports to the Asian countries. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Troy Bockelmann.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.